Good day everyone. Today we were going to dive into an important concept in algebra, which is finding the inverse of a function. So specifically, we are going to learn the step-by-step process for how to find the inverse of a function. The inverse is essentially the function that induces the original one. So let's begin with the example. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to 3x plus 4. So we will use the specific example to walk through a process which is often the clearest way to learn or function is our function is f of x is equal to 3x plus 4. So let's break down the step to find this inverse. So the first step to find the inverse is step 1 is replace f of x with y. Step 2, interchange x and y. Step 3, solve y using appropriate properties of equality. And step 4, replace the new y with f of 1 f raised to the power of 1 x. So in this, we're going to use the step replace the f of x with y. So it will become y is equal to 3x plus 4. And then step 2 is where the magic happens. We're going to interchange the x and y. This is the mathematical move that defines the inverse relation. So that will become x is equal to 3y plus 4 because we interchange the x and y. So next, um, step 3 is main algebra. We solve for y. We need to isolate the y variable by using the appropriate properties by equality. So starting with 3 is equal to 3y plus 4. So first we subtract 4 both sides to get the term with y by itself. So it will become x. Yeah, x minus 4 is equal to 3y. So next we divide both sides by 3 to isolate y. So cancel. So that will become y is equal to 3 minus 4 over 3. And the last step naman is replace the new y with f of x. So to answer back into the proper function notation, we replace the new y with f of 1. If um, raised to the power of negative 1 of x, which is the symbol we use in the inverse function. Therefore, the inverse is f raised to the power of negative 1 of x is equal to x minus 4 over 3. So that is our inverse. Thank you very much for your attentions and goodbye.